Hi. Today we will learn about a great source to fix your English text or any English writings grammar online. The text is full of grammatical mistakes and I want to fix the errors. This is the source where we will work. Simply come to Grammar Checker. Paste the text you want to check. As you can see, the page has detected 17 grammatical errors in the text and one by one I need to fix it. The source is not only correcting it, but also giving the explanation why the mistake is happening. Finally, the text is 100% error-free and standardized by grammar. Here, you can also do some other jobs like making text bold, underlined, italic and so on. Turn on the white theme here if you need. So, this is the way you can easily fix grammar error in your English text and make your writings grammatical mistake-free. If this helped you, then please be with us and also subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.